Hi everybody, welcome. This is Mr. Rains here. Just want to talk to you a little bit about how you do your Flipgrid assignments. So Flipgrid assignments are going to be video discussion assignments throughout the semester. So when you come up to a discussion post in your assignments, if we look at a physics tree, you'll see a D beside them. So in this case, you have one there and you have one there. So you have two for the semester. I think I add in a couple of more here, there, but those are the ones that are like this is on the Connexus lessons. That being said, when you click on a link, it'll take you to Canvas, and Flipgrid's already embedded. And let me kind of explain. Your very first one you have is an introduction to who you are. It's kind of a way for you to get your feet wet in this process. I'm the only one that sees these videos. I will ask you if you do a really good job at your presentation. I'll ask you and say, hey, is it okay to share this with the rest of the crew so people can know a little bit more about you guys? And it's a way for me to get in touch with all of my students. If ever there comes across a time you're just like, hey, Mr. Rains, I can't, or I'm not comfortable with those, don't worry. You can always send a message into me via webmail, and we can take care of that assignment for you. But I really do want you to participate in the physics Flipgrids because I think they're very beneficial so that you know who I know who you are, you know who I am, and I can really have this ongoing dialogue with you guys on how well you're doing in the course. That being said, this is what a modification would look like. It says to be completed here. You're going to watch Mr. Rain's Flipgrid video and lab work tutorial. Flipgrid video is literally what you're about to see right now. And then if you look down at the bottom, there's this little link to click on this assignment. And when you click on it, it brings up Canvas. You may have to log into Canvas, but Flipgrid is directly connected into Canvas. So that all you have to do is log in one time. And then if you look, Mr. Rains has a video there, kind of gives you a little bit of an example. You can watch that video. I act like I'm a student in my class and what is appropriate to be said and those types of things. You can click the little plus there, and then this recording comes up. And you can do funny things in the recording. You can do text and filters and stickers. You can even add in pictures. You can add a sticky note saying, hi, Mr. Rains. You click on the recorder and it goes 3, 2, 1, gives you a countdown, and you start doing your thing. You got 90 seconds to tell me some information about me, about yourself. And so I do, hi, I'm Mr. Rains. I'm in your class, Mr. Rains. Super excited to be in your course. Or I really hate physics and I don't want to be in your course. Whatever you want to tell me, this is that time to tell me. I'm really not good at physics, or I like this part about physics. I'm really interested in magnetism, or I'm really interested in light, whatever the case may be. And as you're doing all this, and tell me more about yourself, why you're at IU Prep, what you're most excited about for the year, those types of things. What are some questions that you have? You can stop that at any time, and then you go ahead and hit that submit button. You can see it's playing that, okay? And it kind of goes through. You can trim stuff down, you can clip, you can add more time in there. You can even throw sticky notes up there and say, woohoo, yay, and those types of things. And then you go ahead and submit. Then it asks you to do a selfie. And you can do something cool. You can always add in text. You can add emojis and put that off to the side. You can add at the top, you can add, pixelated. You can make yourself pixelated. You can draw. So if you can see me being pixelated, it's kind of weird looking. So then you go ahead and submit it in. And that is your Flipgrid assignment. Okay, it does ask you, the reason why the email address is there is it will send you feedback, but typically I get a link to the feedback and post it in your Connexus. So if you were done with this and you've got finished, notice there's a direct link to your video. You can you literally can copy that and post it into your discussion post in Connexus and submit the assignment, and you're done. I hope that makes sense to you on how you submit a Flipgrid assignment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always available via text or webmail. I just want to help you guys and have a great year. Thanks.